Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Bitget Wallet. Alright, so in order to send from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Bitget wallet, please note this is a Web3 transaction. So in order to perform this transaction, open up your Tonkeeper. With the Tonkeeper opened up, there's a couple of things to note. First off, in order to send any Web3 tokens or any tokens out of a Web3 wallet, you're required to have the network token used to cover gas fees and transaction fees. In our case, this is the Toncoin, so make sure you have some Ton to cover your gas fees. If you do not, use the buy and sell option to simply buy yourself some Ton. All right, so once you've gotten your Toncoin to cover your gas fees, click on the USDT, click on send, and then you're required to provide an address and a comment. To get this, minimize and open up your Bitget wallet. So once you've opened up Bitget Wallet, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on the deposit icon and then click on deposit digital asset. Click on this. Use the search icon to search for USDT. Once you search for USDT, scroll till you find USDT on the Ton network. Once you found the USDT on the Ton, click on this USDT. Copy its address, and as you can see here, there was no option to copy any comments, so minimize and open up your Tonkeeper with this knowledge. Paste the address there, click on continue, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send, and then simply click on continue, and your USDT will be sent from your Tonkeeper wallet over to your Bitget wallet. So guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.